located behind Home Depot on Maxtown Road in Westerville. Now this trail is on old railroad track bed. It's 5 miles long and extremely straight and flat. There are plenty of benches along this trail in case you need a rest. There are a few offshoots along this trail as well, which you can spend some time exploring. The old railroad marker. Well, it's only 127 miles to Cleveland. To continue on the Erie Trail, you head east or left of this picture.